Dear students, today we will start our lesson number 4, subtraction. Children, you have studied the subtraction in your previous classes too. Do you remember what is subtraction? The definition of subtraction is the process of taking away a certain number of objects from a group of objects, or taking away one number from the other is generally known as subtraction. Let us start with our warm-up exercise. In our warm-up exercise, the question is given to us: subtract the numbers to find the difference. Color the petals with an even answer in red and an odd answer yellow. So you have to subtract these numbers and you have to write you have to find the difference. Then whatever the answer is coming, if the answer is even, then you have to color your petal with red, and if the answer is odd, then you have to color with yellow. So in this question is 823 minus 412. Let us start with this. We are starting from ones column only. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 4 is 4. So we got the answer 411. Let's move to the next petal. Now here it is given 695 minus 327. So we are starting from ones place only. Now in ones place it is written 5 and below it is written 7. So 5 is smaller than 7. Can we subtract the smaller number from the bigger number? No. So for this, what we are doing, we will take one borrow from the tens place. So we will take one borrow from this number, it becomes 15, and here it has given one number to this, so it is become 9 minus 1 is 8. So here it comes 8. So here now our number is 15. So 15 minus 7 will be 8. So we will write 8 here, and 8 minus 2 is 6, and 6 minus 3 is 3. So we got the answer 368. Now 482 minus 193. So in this, again the upper number is the small, then the bigger below number. So we will take one borrow from here, it becomes 12 here, and here it becomes 8 minus 1 7. So 12 minus 3 is 9, and 7 minus 9, again we can't do 7 minus 9, so we will take one borrow from the 100 place number, so it becomes 4 minus 1 3. 17 minus 9 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. In next petal our number is 673 minus 428. Let's start with the ones place. 3 minus 8, again the upper number is the smaller one, so we can't able to minus 3 from 8, so we will take one borrow. Here it becomes 13, and here 7 minus 1 will become 6. 13 minus 8 is 5, so we will write 5 here. 6 minus 2 is 4, so we will write 4 here. 6 minus 4 is 2, so we will write 2 here. So our answer is 245. Now in this, 879 minus 217. Now 9 minus 7 is 2, so we are writing 2 here. 7 minus 1 is 6, we are writing 6 here. 8 minus 2 is 6, so we are writing 6 here. So we got the answer 662. Now they have said, after finding the difference, you have to color the petals with even answer red and odd answer yellow. So this answer 411 is the odd one. So with this petal we will color with yellow. And 368, this is the even number. At the last it is 8, so it is the even number, so this we are coloring red. Now this answer is 289. So last number is 9, which is odd, so this we have to color with yellow. Then 245, last number is 5, which is odd, so again this petal we are coloring with yellow. And here the answer is 662. The last number is 2, so 2 is the even number, so this we have to color with red. So like this we will complete this question. Now this exercise is completed. Hope you understand.